Luna and the keeper of the moonlit sea. I darkened as waves crashed against a small fishing boat.
Easy. Just a little farther, and we'll reach the harbor. Whoa, not good. Please, hold together.
A human. He's in danger.
The storm is too strong, Luna.
Then we must help him.
Who are you?
You're safe now.
Wait!
The next evening, Adrian returned to the cove.
Maybe I imagined it.
You didn't.
It's you!
Hello, sailor.
You're a mermaid.
And you're surprised?
A little. I'm Adrian.
I'm Luna.
Thank you for saving my life.
I couldn't leave someone to face the storm alone.
Then I owe you everything.
No, just your friendship. For many evenings they met beside the cove. One sunset, Adrian pointed toward the horizon.
Beyond that sea are mountains covered in snow.
Snow?
Tiny white crystals that fall from the sky.
That sounds magical.
Not as magical as a mermaid.
You're very kind. Another evening, Luna guided Adrian's boat over crystal clear water. Look below.
It's stunning.
This is my favorite place.
Then it's my favorite place too. The best part of my day is seeing you.
Mine too.
Luna,
Yes?
I think about you all the time.
I think about you too.
Then perhaps we're both feeling the same thing.
Perhaps we are.
Is it true?
What, Your Majesty?
You have been meeting a human.
Yes.
You know our laws.
I do.
Humans and mermaids belong to different worlds.
But he's kind.
That changes nothing.
I love him.
You must never see him again.
Please.
The answer is no.
Luna, please come. Luna! I miss you.
I miss you too.
The shadow Leviathan has awakened.
Protect the kingdom!
What is happening?
There must be a way to stop it. Only the Pearl of Tides can defeat the creature. Then I'll use it. If you do, you'll lose your mermaid magic forever.
The price is too great.
No price is too great if it saves everyone.
Are you willing to surrender your magic?
Yes.
You may never return to the sea as before.
I understand. For my kingdom. For Adrian.
Luna,
Adrian.
you're alive.
I thought I'd never see you again.
I never stopped waiting,
I never stopped loving you.
and I never stopped loving you.
Luna,
Your Majesty.
you sacrificed everything to save both our worlds.
She saved us all.
I was wrong to judge your love. Love that brings courage, kindness, and sacrifice is never forbidden. You have my blessing.
Do you ever miss being a mermaid?
Sometimes.
Do you regret your choice?
Not for a single moment.
Neither do I.
Listen,
What is it?
My friends are singing.
Then let's listen together.
As the stars filled the sky, Luna rested her head on Adrian's shoulder, and their love story became a legend told for generations. A tale of courage, sacrifice, and a love stronger than the sea itself.